Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to add and use your Monzo card on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, make sure the Monzo app is installed and your account is fully set up. Once that's done, open the Monzo app and go to your card details. You should see your Monzo card there, ready to be added to your wallet. To add it to Apple Wallet, open the Wallet app on your iPhone and tap the plus icon in the top right corner. Monzo should appear as an option since the app is already installed. Tap on Monzo at the bottom and your card will be detected and displayed. Tap Confirm and Continue, then follow the prompts to add it to your wallet. The Wallet app will contact Monzo to verify the card. You will then be redirected to the Monzo app to complete the verification process. Once verified, your Monzo card will be successfully added to your Apple Wallet. Now you're ready to make payments. Just open the Wallet app, select your Monzo card, and hold your phone near a contactless ready to pay. That's it. You're all set to make secure payments with your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thank you for watching.